Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever looked at something so amazing it made you whisper, wow? When we see Allah's creation, we say, SubhanAllah, let's explore. See the little fuzzy bee buzzing by the willow tree, sipping nectar sweet and light, working hard with all its might. It knows its way, it knows its home, wherever it may choose to roam, for something wonderful to see. Say it now along with me. SubhanAllah, SubhanAllah, glory be to Allah. From the highest mountain peak to the rosy little cheek, everything is perfectly planned, held within the Creator's hand. SubhanAllah. Crashing loudly, wild and free, salty spray and ocean blue, hiding treasures old and new. The mighty whale, the tiny snail, the wind that pushes every sail, for something powerful to see. Say it now along with me. SubhanAllah. SubhanAllah, SubhanAllah. When we see the colors bright in the morning, noon or night, we remember who made it all. SubhanAllah, we softly call. Keep looking for the wonders around you, and always remember to say, SubhanAllah.